Hi children, how are you? Today we will talk about adjectives. Do you know what an adjective is? An adjective is a describing word. What is it? A describing word. It helps describe people, places and things. In other words, they describe nouns. In most sentences, it goes before the word it describes, the noun or after a verb. Some examples are sunny, bright, red, brown, or shiny. We can use them in such a manner. He is wearing a shiny red tracksuit. Here, shiny and red describes the tracksuit look. Hence, shiny and red are adjectives. They modify a noun, tracksuit. Clear? Let's look at another example. It's a bright sunny day. Can you name the adjectives in this sentence? You're right, bright and sunny. They are adjectives. Do you see how adjectives help to add interesting details to your description? Adjectives also help in answering questions like what kind, which one, how many, or how much. Let's take an example. Today is a warm day, with hundreds of birds chirping in the clear blue sky. Here, warm describes the kind of day, and so does a clear blue sky. And 100 describes how many birds. Types of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjective and interrogative adjective. How many are there? 5. Then children, what is an adjective? The words that describe person, places, things and animals are called adjectives. They are also known as describing words. Okay, here let's learn the adjective of quality and adjective of number. Okay, then what is an adjective of quality? An adjective of quality describes the quality of nouns. It answers the question of what kind. Okay, wicked Mr. Sam. Here, wicked is adjective of quality. It describes the noun Mr. Sam. Sam is a wicked man. Then wicked Mr. Sam. Pattern socks. Pattern is adjective of quality. The shrewd rabbit. Shrewd is adjective of quality. A red apple. Red is adjective of quality. And the other examples for adjectives of quality are red, juicy, new, hot, naughty, sweet, lazy, beautiful, small, and so on. Okay. The next comes adjective of number. An adjective of number describes the nouns that can be measured. So we can measure the number. That kinds of adjectives are adjective of number. It answers the question how many. Then the answer will be a number. Okay. See the examples. The fourth heart. Fourth is adjective of number. 5 pens. 5 is adjective of number. 3 flowers. Here 3 is adjective of number. Examples of adjectives of numbers include 1, the 11th, 5, and likes. Okay, let's check some sentences from our textbook. Once there lived a lazy grasshopper. Summer entered and a cold winter arrived. Here you got 2 sentences. Let's check these. Here in these sentences, grasshopper is the noun. The word which qualifies the noun grasshopper is? Yes, lazy. Then, lazy is the adjective because it describes the quality of the grasshopper. The noun, our grasshopper, that is lazy one. And lazy grasshopper. Lazy is the adjective and grasshopper is the noun. Then in second sentence, which one is noun? Yes, winter. Then which word describe the quality of the noun winter? Yes, cold. The winter is very cold. Cold, winter. Cold is the adjective. The noun is winter and the adjective is cold. So in these 2 sentences, lazy and cold are adjectives of quality. Then let's check next sentences. I have 2 friends. There are 5 students in the class. Here in the first sentence, the noun is friends. How many friends? Yeah, answer is 2. I have 2 friends. 2 is the describing word. That is the adjective of number. Then the second sentence. There are 5 students in the class. How many students? 5. And which is the noun here? Students. Then the word which describes the noun, student, is 5, the number. This is the adjective of number. Clear? I hope you understood the term adjectives. Here in this chapter you have to study only 2 sections, that is adjective of quality and adjective of number. Okay, then let's do the textual activities. Are you ready? Thank you, children.